Yes, children, before going to start our topic, I will show you some pictures. You should identify them. Okay, children? Yes, what is this? Yeah, dinosaur. Isn't it, children? Next picture. Yes, what is this, children? This is a tiger. Have you seen them? Where have you seen them? Yeah, see here, children. These pictures are of dinosaur and tiger. There are no more dinosaurs on the earth anymore, isn't it, children? No dinosaurs are there on the land? No. There are some animals that are no more on the earth. We call them as what we call, children? Extinct animal. Once again listen, the animals which are no more on the earth, we call them as extinct animal. Okay, but we can see the tiger, isn't it, children? Yes, if we go to the zoo, we can see the tiger. But these animals are also going to reduce day by day. Isn't it, children? Yes. Sometimes they may become extinct. Extinct means no more on the earth. So, these type of animals we call them as a endangered animal. So, both animals we can see in this picture. First tiger is a endangered animal. Why? Because they are reducing day by day. And next picture is dinosaur. The dinosaurs are no more on the earth. This type of animals we call as a extinct animal. Okay, children. Next I will show you another picture. See here once. Yes, what is this animal, children? We call it as a doo-doo bird. What is that? Doo-doo bird. Yes. Did you see any time this type of bird, children? No. This bird is also a extinct animal. It is a flightless animal. It cannot fly. It is no more on the earth. Yeah, this is the snow leopard. Extinct or endangered? Endangered animal. It is on the earth. This one, tiger. This is also on the earth. It is alive. Okay, next picture. Yes, again, this is the doo-doo bird. Is it on the earth or no more on the earth, children? No more. Then what we call them? Extinct animal. Yeah, this is rhinoceros. This is extinct or endangered, children? Endangered. We can see them in the zoo park, isn't it? Now this picture, again dinosaur, no more on the earth. Yes, now come to the board and listen the class. Yes, children, we have seen so many animals in the pictures. Yes, and we have learned that endangered and extinct animal. Yes, now tell me what are endangered animals here? What is meant, first of all, what is meant by endangered? The animals which are reducing day by day. Yes or no, children? Yes, the animals which are reducing day by day. They may become, at last they may become extinct animal. Yes. Now tell me what is meant by extinct animal? The animals which are no more on the earth. What we call the animals which are no more. Here I am writing. No more on earth. What we call, children? We call as extinct animal. And the animals which are going to reduce day by day, and they may become extinct animal at one day. Okay, children? Yes. So this is the endangered animal, the animals which are going to reduce day by day and they may become extinct animal. What are they? Tiger, lion, rhinoceros, panda, snow leopard. We have seen the pictures. And these are the extinct animals which are no more on the earth. We cannot see now. Doo-doo bird, flightless bird, okay, and dinosaurs. Okay, children. Now tell me, which animals are endangered here? Yes, these are endangered animals. Lion, tiger, snow, leopards, all this. Which are extinct animals? Doo-doo bird and dinosaurs. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now tell me, what is the main difference between extinct and endangered animals? Yes, the animals which are no more on the earth we call extinct animals, and the animals which are reduced see here, extinct animals are reduced. Already they were no more on the earth. Well, coming to the endangered animals, tiger, lion, rhinoceros, panda, snow, not only these, elephant, yes, all these are the animals are reducing day by day because we are using the things from them. Okay, here tiger, we are using that tiger's teeth for jewelries. Do you know jewelry, children? Yes, earrings, chains, bangles, everything this we call as a jewelry. And here, elephant, do you know elephant? Yes, elephant tusk gives tusk. Do you know tusk, children? Yes, elephant tusk gives ivories which makes the bangles. Okay, in olden days they used to wear white color of bangles. Did you see some olden peoples? Yeah, they used to wear white color of bangles. That is made with elephant's tusk. Okay, children. And not only elephant, you know panda? Yes, panda's fur. If you are fur means the skin of the. If you see the panda, black color, white color body will be. Yes or no, children? That we call as a fur. This is very expensive, very costly. And rhinoceros. You know rhinoceros, children? Yes. Rhinoceros horns. Horns. These horns are used to make medicines. Okay. And also because of these reasons, because of the teeth of tiger and because of the rhinoceros is used for the medicines, panda is used for the fur, and snow leopards, all these animals are useful for us in some many ways. Okay, because of these reasons, these animals are being reducing day by day. We are killing them. For what purpose? For using their fur or teeth or horns. By that's why we are killing them and using all these things. That's why these animals are reducing day by day. And these animals also at one day they will become as an extinct animal. Extinct means no more on the earth. Okay, children. Now tell me, why do we need to save these animals? Why we need to save? They are reducing day by day. No, we want to save them. Some all of them. Why we want to save them? Would it affect our life? Yes? Yeah, yes, see here children, we need to save these animals. Why? Otherwise, why? Because the balance of the earth may change. Okay, so many animals are depending upon these animals. So now children, if we destroy it, the nature also will be destroyed. Many animals depending upon the other animals. These animals are dependent upon the small animals. So now some flesh-eating animals will depend upon the other animals. And some plant-eating animals are also there. So now children, yes, if they die, the other animals also may die. Isn't it, children? And also plants and animals together we can see beautiful nature. Otherwise the nature will be incomplete. Isn't it, children? Therefore we should protect these animals. What we have learned, children, today about endangered and extinct animals. Mainly, what is meant by endangered animals means the animals which are going to reduce day by day. Okay? They are alive now, but they are reducing day by day. What is meant by extinct here? They were no more on the earth. I want to see now that dinosaur. We can go to zoo. If you ask your parents, they cannot. Why? Because they were no more on the earth. But you can see the tiger lion. Why? Because they are alive, but they are reducing day by day. Okay, children? Now open your textbook.
Yes, children, did you open the textbook? Page number 36. Keep finger. Endangered and extinct animals. There are some animals that are no more alive on the earth. These are called extinct animals. The dodo bird and dinosaurs are extinct animals. You can see here some pictures. See children, all these are the extinct animals or endangered animals, children. Yes, all these are endangered animals. We can see this frog, crocodile, tortoise, birds, all the birds, fox, tiger, lion. Yes, owl. All these animals are endangered animals.
See here, next line, keep finger. Animals that are less in number and becoming lesser and lesser day by day are called endangered animals. Yes, we have learned now the animals which are becoming lesser and lesser day by day, we call them as a endangered animals. If their number keeps decreasing, they would become extinct one day. So they will become extinct. Open volume. Yes, children, open your volume. Write the date. Endangered and extinct. Page number 31. Look at the first question. Look at these pictures carefully. Yes, did you see carefully, children? Yeah. Name two animals that may soon disappear from the earth. What do we call them? By seeing that picture, you should write the animals which are going to disappear. Now they are alive, but they are going to disappear. Which animals and what we call them? You write the answer. See the second one now. How are extinct animals different from endangered animals? You should write the difference. Extinct animal and endangered animal. See the third one. What will happen to tigers if deer become extinct? Extinct means no more on the earth. If they were not deer, what will happen to the tiger?